Okay, you will have this kind of pizza. Watch the video till end and follow the instruction how to make pizza like this. Thank you. Let's start with the dough. How to make dough of pizza. Just put flour and just follow the instruction how to make dough of the pizza, because everything is settled down on the pizza dough. If the pizza dough is perfect, then you gonna it will give you the perfect pizza. Okay, you can put egg in the pizza dough. Take one empty bowl. Okay, now this is pizza yeast. This is pizza yeast. In this we put pizza yeast and one egg. Okay, put some black pepper. Just roughly idea like this, maybe 1 gram. And just these are the ingredients to put in the dough, and some salt. This is like maybe 2-3 grams. Just put in there and put some sugar as well, just like 1-2 gram. And okay, put some more. And that's all. Mix this well and then just put in the flour. Okay, then now just put water to make dough. Okay, so dough is ready for your pizza. Cover this for some time. Wait for the dough to expand. Okay, let's check our dough is ready. Okay, you can see it's already expanded, so it's perfectly ready now. Okay, so now I have to make the base of the pizza. Just roll it just like a chapati, like this. Expand more. Now we have our base ready. Now you have to take a pizza ring just to put this base on the ring. If you don't have ring, you can use this. I'm sure everyone have in our homes like this. So put your base on top of this. Okay, just like this. Okay, now base is ready. Pizza sauce on the base. Just hold your tray like this on your left hand, or you can put whatever, however you like. It doesn't matter. Just spread all over the base. Okay, now we've just finished the sauce part. I made this sauce. This is normally tomato sauce. You can buy from any shop. It's not a big deal, but I put so many ingredients in it according to my own taste. You can put your ingredients like salt, black pepper, chili flakes, anything to make it more tasty according to your taste. These are the toppings of the pizza, and this is all according to your own taste. What toppings you like. I normally put cheese at the bottom first, just a little bit, not too much. Mushroom, white onions. Let's put some green peppers, tomatoes, chicken. Okay, after sweet corn, green chilies. Okay, at the last, just cover everything with the cheese. Just cover it fully Okay, now we have our base and our pizza, everything ready with the toppings. Just put in the oven and wait for some time. Okay, close it. Okay, after some time you have to check your pizza. Just make sure it should not stick to the bottom. No, it's moving, so that's okay. Just check it like this. If it's harder, it sounds harder, so it means you have your pizza ready. So it's ready now. Let's take out. Okay, just 2 slices like this with the knife. Hopefully you like this video, and please like, comment and share if you really like my work. So see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye bye, take care.